Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we're diving into a memory upgrade specifically designed for the Gigabyte Z590 AC motherboard. A 16GB DDR4 kit running at 3200 MHz. If you're looking to boost your system's performance, especially for gaming, content creation, or just smoother multitasking, this could be a worthwhile upgrade. This particular kit comes in the UDIM form factor, which is the standard for desktop PCs, so compatibility shouldn't be an issue with the Z590 UDAC. It operates at a speed of 3200 MHz, which is a sweet spot for many modern systems, offering a noticeable improvement over slower memory speeds. The module is also an ONECC, which is typical for consumer-grade memory and perfectly fine for most users. It runs at a voltage of 1.2 V, which is standard for DDR4 and helps keep power consumption and heat generation in check. This is particularly important if you're concerned about the overall efficiency of your system. The memory is backed by a lifetime warranty from Parts Quick, which is a significant advantage. Knowing that you're covered for the long term provides peace of mind. They also offer toll-free technical support, which can be invaluable if you run into any issues during installation or setup. It's also RoHS and halogen-free, which is a plus for those who are environmentally conscious. This means it's manufactured without certain hazardous substances, aligning with environmental standards. Overall, this 16GB DDR4 3200 MHz memory kit appears to be a solid, reliable upgrade option for the Gigabyte Z590 AC motherboard. The combination of speed, capacity, and warranty makes it a compelling choice for anyone looking to enhance their system's performance.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.